The E4 error code on a Frigidaire washer indicates an unbalanced load. This issue can be caused by an unbalanced load or a damaged impact switch. To resolve the problem, start by balancing the washer's load. Remove the items. Ensure the washer is on an even surface, and fill it to about 3/4 full. Distribute the clothes in the drum to allow for a smooth spin cycle. Close the door. Select a cycle, and check if the error code persists. If the issue remains, replacing the impact switch may be necessary. To do this, unplug the washer, turn off the water supply, and remove the main top and front panel. Then, undo the screws holding the mounting bracket, remove the pressure sensor from its bracket, and disconnect the impact switch's wires. Connect these wires to a new impact switch. Snap the switch into place, and reinstall the pressure sensor. Finally, screw the mounting bracket back in. Reattach the front panel and main top. Plug in the washer, and check if the error code is still present.